new application, corpus pipeline application. We will name it training app. And in this application, we will put down the batch learning processing record. So now we will say to this processing record, learn from the training data and learning mode training. The attribute input annotation set name we will not specify because by default, if it's nothing specified, it's the default annotation set. Default is this. And here we have that mentioned. So we say training, output we don't need, output annotation set name we don't need, we run application and that's it. It now knows what is location, what is money, what is everything. Now we want to try it and to see how good it works. We will create one new application, or you can use this, but I usually create one more. And we will call it test application. Okay. And we will put inside the batch learning processing record. And here we will specify that it should. We will use it like application that includes annotated text, and we will use it on the test data. Before we will learn it from another data, and now we will use on another data to try it. And in the another corpus, test corpus, we will put it in some new annotation set. Let's say ML set. We will run the application, and now in the sales data, if you go in the test corpus, and if you go in some of these documents, we should find out here that there should be some annotation with name mentioned, but they are not. They're not there. The problem is that processing records, as I said here, it's learning from something, and that's something we don't have. Here, as I said, it's learning from the token, from annotation type token. And if we go in the same data, in some documents, we can see here that we don't have any annotations. We have just the original markups, and that are not enough. So that's why we will apply the any with default on the test data. We will run, and then again we will apply the batch learning processing record. And now there should be a problem. We will go to test corpus, some documents we will choose, and we see here that we have the token from which it is learning, and we have the new created annotation type. So we have here the mention annotation type that is created from the machine learning processing record, and the default mention created with the any application with the grammar. So this, what is created with the grammar is like our gold standard. It's what is the best and with what we will compare. So now we will compare the gold standard, the mention, and with what was learned. These two things we will compare. How we will compare? We go just on the test corpus, because that is our test data. There we have the test data. We go on corpus quality assurance. It's the most right track. and here you select the default set. Default set is this. We select the ML set, and now we have here the annotation type that we can compare. But we will keep mention what we want to compare, feature type, and S1 we will measure. Compare, and here we have the data. How good the comparison is, how good it runs. So this result, what you have here, these values, you will write down in this document. In this document, you write down your name, surname, and here you write down the result. You can see here that you should also change parameters of the configuration file for the